Hi there, my name is Priya and I'm from Bihar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, I'm going to share one of my personal experiences that how I practice English with songs and movies. I know most of you might be thinking that how can somebody learn English with songs and movies? But bro, I'm a live example for it. So, if you're struggling with English and you don't know what to do, then I am damn sure that this video will help you. Why? Because here I'm not teaching theory and all. Here I'm sharing one of my personal experiences. Okay, so let's jump into the video. You know, everybody listens to songs, right? But I don't just listen, I study them. How? See, whenever I find a song that touches my heart or it has my vibe, then I immediately go and search for the lyrics. Okay, and then my notebook comes out. I start writing the lyrics in my notebook. See, I've written here. Here is something that I have written when I was in the library, and here is the song lyrics. See, this one is wait. Let me sing it. Okay. Thank you in advance. I don't wanna dance. I don't need your hands all over me. If I want a man, then I'ma get a man. It's never my priority. I was in my zone before you came along. Don't you wanna take this personal? Blah blah blah. I be like nah to the I to the no no no. I hope you have heard this song before, right? See, when I write the lyrics line by line, I don't just write it. I feel the words. I remember the words, right? And after some time, understand the flow, the rhythm and the pronunciation. You're getting it, my honey? Mm-hmm. See, and after writing the lyrics, I listen to that song again and again and again and again, and I repeat after the singer, like in their same tune, in their same rhythm, exactly like how they're singing. I just pick a random object. Okay, let's see. I just pick anything. Okay, and I hold it like this, and I start singing like I'm in a concert. If you listen up, like this, like I'm in a concert, like something, you know this simple practice has improved my fluency and my accent also. I swear, Baba, I swear. So please start singing English songs. I know you might be thinking, you might be worrying about that which song from you can start. So don't worry. Here are the 10 songs for girls and here are the 10 songs for boys. Okay? Don't worry, my honey. I have everything for you. And if you have any question regarding English or anything, you can just drop down in the comment section. Now let's talk about movies. Wait, are you going to watch Hollywood movies to improve your English? No, don't do that, my honey. Please start with something very simple. Because I started with very simple, something cartoon movies. Yes, Disney movies. Something like Rapunzel, Moana, Zootopia, Frozen, Nemo, and many more. And why cartoon movies? Because they are simple. It has a simple story that you can understand. Are you getting it, my honey? Mm-hmm. See, please start with core. Okay, my bad. Please start with cartoon movies. I know you are getting it. Talking about my experience, whenever I watch a cartoon movie in English, of course in English, then I watch it two times. First time I watch it with subtitles only to understand the story, only to understand it what is this movie about, and of course with subtitles. And the second time I watch it like a student, like whenever I find a phrase that I can use in my daily conversation, I just write in my notebook. Simple. And I practice it. लिखने से कुछ नहीं होगा, उसको प्रैक्टिस करना होगा डेली डेली. I practice it twice, not twice, thrice, and you know, so many times, of course, and not in my room, of course, on the roof. Now you might be thinking that Priya, this looks so simple. Does it really work? Of course, yes. I'm a live example, my honey. See, why this works? Because this is simple, and simple things works when you do them consistently. I'm not doing here anything fancy. I'm just mixing two things, which is songs and movies. If you want to improve your English, learn it in a fun way. Are you getting it? Just like I'm doing. I'm learning English in a fun way. Okay, don't make it a burden and all. And trust me, this method will help you. Why? Because it helped me too as well. Yes, right. Okay, if you find this video helpful, you know what you have to do. Of course, drop a pyare pyare comment in the comment section and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And I'll see you in my next video. If you want any specific video on a specific topic, then do let me know. Okay? Bye bye. Please do this method.